welcome back. I'm here with Cindy Wallis-Lage, Executive Director for Sustainability and Resilience at Black & Veatch, and previously the President of Black & Veatch's water business, and before that, Executive Managing Director of Technical Solutions. Wow, that's a lot to unpack. What does that all mean?
It means I love what I do. It means I've had great opportunities to do really impactful projects and help communities around the world through Black & Veatch. So that's what makes it fun.
So I'll start. How's that? So why don't you just give us a little overview of what is Black & Veatch for all those online who don't know much about you?
Yeah, so Black & Veatch, we're over 100 years old. We have been providing consulting and engineering and construction services for communities around the globe. And we're really very focused in the energy space, very involved in the energy transition, decarbonization, and really securing the grid and stabilizing the grid. Water security, my passion, obviously, from my very long history in the water sector. We're dealing with too much water, too little water, how we manage that, how do we make it sustainable for communities. We're in communications and broadband and digital, and trying to make sure that we can help connect these information using digital to our best, how we can best utilize that to drive efficiency.
Absolutely.
Very cool. We're into really sustainable food production. So looking at how we can help in that infrastructure space to really help us transition in how we're dealing with our food production. So, and electric vehicles, very exciting for us to see how we can help move that along and been involved in that infrastructure.
Is that okay?
I think the best way to capture what we do is our mission statement, which is building a world of difference through innovation in sustainable infrastructure. And we believe that to the core of our heart, and how we can do that and help communities around the globe.
Definitely.
Hi, Steve.
So
can you hear me?
John mentioned all the previous roles that you had at Black & Veatch. You're now the Executive Director for Sustainability and Resilience. What would you say are your priorities in this new role?
Awareness. It's really awareness, and it's awareness twofold. One, it's making sure that externally that we are helping our clients be aware of all the things that they can do. And everybody has a different journey. So it's for us working with those clients, having a conversation. What is their roadmap? What are they trying to achieve? What are their goals? How do you get there? And being intentional to set a pathway to achieve those goals. Internally, it's also making sure that we are equally intentional in all that we do in our designs and in our offerings and the way we operate, such that we're walking the talk. So what we're saying externally, we're doing internally. And so my job is to bring that all together.
So can I drill down on the water topic a
Absolutely.
little bit more? So, I mean, you're an expert in this industry. So what are the challenges you see when it comes to like reuse? You know, we're both from California. We're very concerned about water. So how are we going to create a more sustainable water supply?
You know, I believe reuse is a huge piece of that answer, and it has been. My background, I started doing reuse projects in the 80s because I could see just how much sense it makes, right? We get very caught in our society of judging the drop by its history instead of its potential. And reuse is all about potential. And we're not judging where it's been. Because water, we've added no water, we've taken no water away, right? We just move it around and it changes quality, and we have all of the technology to be able to adapt to whatever we need to use that water, to treat it however we want to. So reuse is a huge piece of that, and I believe it should be the first goal of every community is, are you maximizing the use of the drop? Are you truly utilizing it? And then the limiting to it is education. We have to educate. And part of the challenge for that is we need to stop the segregation of water, right? Oh, that's wastewater. Oh, that's stormwater. Oh, it's an impaired water. It's seawater. It's all of these things, right? Water at the core is water, and we can make it into any quality that we need to. And so if we just start talking holistically about water and meeting our needs, we can change the culture, and then reuse will just be like, of course, why wouldn't you, right? That's what we want to get to.
Awesome. Well, we're running out of time, but we've been here with Cindy Wallis-Lage, Executive Director for Sustainability and Resilience at Black & Veatch. Thanks, Cindy.
Thank you.